Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed my Instagram video. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your device, and in here make sure they are logged into your account. Now in order to see your Instagram video, first of all go to your profile by tapping on the profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, in here you will see all your posted Instagram video. Now go to that video, and on this video under this like and comment section, there you will be able to see the total number of views and the total number of likes. Once you tap on there, you will land on next interface where you will be able to see who have liked your video, but unfortunately we will not be able to see who have viewed your Instagram video, but you can see the total number of views. Now in order to see the total view, you can simply post the video on your story, and from there you will be able to see who have viewed your Instagram video. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.